Hey, it's tacgearguy, and I'm going to do a review on the Smith & Wesson tactical pen and the Smith & Wesson M&P military and police tactical pen. First we'll start off with just the Smith & Wesson tactical pen. It's 5.7 inches long, 1.4 ounces. It's made out of hard anodized aluminum. It has some fluting on it. I mean, it's a really good looking pen. It has the point, which is rounded, a pocket clip, and you unscrew it to remove it, and you could place it on here for when you're writing, but it's only held in place by friction, so it may come off, you know, if you jostle it around. The only problem I ever had with carrying this pen was that a handful of times it had opened in my pocket. Other than that, I mean, it's a great pen. It's really good looking. You get a lot of compliments. And now we're going to take a look at the Smith & Wesson military and police model. It's 6.1 inches long, 1.4 ounces. It's aircraft aluminum. This one has a knurled grip, which is real nice. The point, again, it's rounded. It's a little different, you know, than this one. It also has the pocket clip, and it has the military and police logo laser etched on the cap. Now this one, you just pull it off and you can pop it on the back and it clicks right in, not going anywhere. I feel that's a major advantage to this pen over the other. I've never had it open in my pocket. I mean, it's a great pen. This one on the cap, it has a lanyard hole. Both of them take pretty standard refills. They, you know, I've always picked up the Parker. I think it's the 0.7 millimeter refills. They come with black ink, but you could always, you know, get a different refill with, you know, blue or whatever you like. These are great pens. Right now, the MSRP on both pens is $36.95 from Smith & Wesson. I found both pens on the internet ranging anywhere from $20 to $30, which I feel is a real good deal. I mean, they're great pens, and they're definitely an alternative to carrying a knife for a defensive situation. I mean, sometimes you'll be in situations where you're legally not allowed to carry a knife, and this would definitely make a great alternative. And this is tacgearguy, and thanks for watching.